Hey guys, welcome to my channel Thinking SOM. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a Lego cleaning machine. It has a wrench and a drill, a hammer, and a spanner. So I'm gonna start dismantling to show you how to make this fully structured cleaning machine. So let's start dismantling. Hey, now I finished dismantling. So let's start building. You're gonna need this part. It should be like this. Attach 4 wheels. Use a blue color steering. No, you can use any colored steering wheel. I only have blue. You are gonna need 2 yellow doors. Attach them like this. Now I'm gonna need these parts. Attach them on top of the place where the wheels are attached. Now I have to fix these parts, which look like this. Let's start with the front portion. You're gonna need these parts. They look like this. You can use any color, but the shape should be correct. You're gonna need 2 of them. Now attach this part right in the front. And these these plain lights should be like this, plain. And it should be like glass sort of lights. Now attach the number plate. You can use any number plate. Now you're gonna need these 2 parts. You can use any color of these, but the shape should be same. Attach them next to the gray thing like this. Now you're gonna need this mirror or glass. Now I think we are done with the front portion. Let's start with the back. You're gonna need this black part. Attach it at the end of the yellow part. Now you're gonna need this. Attach these lights on the very side. Leave 2 spaces like this. Now attach another number plate. Now you're gonna need this part and this part. You can use any color. Now attach the wrench. Have to not do it so forcefully. Now attach the drill on the other side. Now attach the barricade. Use this and attach it like this. As far as it can go inside. Now attach the hammer on the other hole. And if you want, you can use an antenna, or if you want, you cannot also. So the cleaning car is finished. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.